Alright, hello, you're welcome to Chris Graphix Tutorial. Today we're going to do a very beautiful Merry Christmas design that you can use for yourself for this period, maybe next year or any Christmas, as the case may be. Alright, I'm going to show you how you're going to go about it. If you're new to the channel, you subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so that you won't miss any new upload. Originally, we upload videos on this channel every Friday. Okay, alright, before I go ahead into the video, I have a promo here for you. I have a 412 PSD templates for you. PSD templates are Photoshop documents that you can actually edit with your smartphone or with your laptop with Photoshop. All right, like the name implies, Photoshop documents. Okay, so I have brochure designs, flyer designs, quotes, a lot of designs there. 400 over 400 PSD templates for you. I'm going to give it free of charge, and I also have a course on smartphone graphics design. You can see um, that course is going to teach you how you can do flyers, logos, business card, and every other thing just at once. All the videos are there. They are premium videos, and I'm giving it out at 90% discount. 90% discount from now till the end of the year. All right, today's 21st already, so till 31st of this month. This offer is going to be available. All right, so it's just for $2, just $2, or one point something dollars as a case maybe. It's just 1,000 naira. Okay, that's that for the course. The PSD templates are just additional bonuses. There are a lot of bonuses that you stand to gain from this video course. All right, so we're going to proceed. What I just did in order to make this video very sharp and short, what I just did, I actually created a template for this season. All right, so there's a template already I've created, and I'm going to just load the template and then edit it. It's not really editable, it's a JPEG format, but it's just like a template where you can place your own picture, your text, your quotes, or whatever you have to place on it. All right, so how am I going to do it? Okay, I'm going to just load in the image right now. Here, click I believe you should know this background editing tool. Click from gallery, and we're going to check images, and then recent designs. All right, this was the design I just made. All right, so let's delete this. This is the templates. We're going to do it very sharp. All right, you can see some spaces left. They actually left for you to insert your own quotes, pictures, and whatever you have. All right, so I'm going to show you how you can put your picture and then make it realistic. Just watch the video carefully so that you don't mess things up. You get. All right, so I'm going to create a shape very quickly. Click the plus sign, click shapes, and then I'm going to change the shape to a cycle. All right, reduce it. I want to place on this cycle. All right, reduce it. So you can do well to enlarge so that you know what you're doing, so that you don't place it roughly. Okay, I want it to look very real. All right, so you can see. Just try to see that it's at the center. If it's not at the center, you can just reduce and increase from the edge where I'm doing it from. Okay. All right, let's assume it's at the center right now. Okay, so let's go back. Okay, I want to put my picture inside. Come to this object editing tool, click texture, just click it. I'm going to go back to bring let's check. I want to bring in one of my images. Oh my god, where is this? Whoa, sorry for that delay. I can't find that folder right now. Okay, sorry, it's here. Okay, all right, let's use this image right now. So I'm going to make it ratio 1:1. That's what I'm going to use. I'm going to reduce it greatly because I just want my face to show. So you have to crop it very well. You can see my face is, I think, quite at the center right now. So I can just hit this mark sign, and you can see that I'm inside that shape right now. Okay, if you look at if you look at it, it's not too real like that, because I want it to be as if my picture is actually in this what's it called, golden shape. All right, so what you need to do, I'm going to go to still on the object editing tool. I'm going to click inner shadow, enable it. All right, so you can increase the radius. You can see, if you check very well, let's zoom out to see what we're doing here. All right, it's somehow blurry, but if you increase the radius, you can see that it's becoming darker at the edges. All right, so it's looking as if my image is actually there. You can see that shadow effect is there. All right, so this is it. This is my picture. All right, next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to add the text. Double click it, or click editing tool and click edit. You should know how to do that. If you don't know, just double click it. All right, so I'm going to paste my Christmas what's it called, quotes. All right, so this is my own. It's actually very long. You must not do something as long as this. Let's change text editing tool. Let's change the color to you could use black, green, any color that will contrast well. All right, I'm going to change the font also to All right, after that, maybe I'm going to change the font. Let's just change font. All right, please note your code must not be as large as that. Okay, you can just put 4 5 lines. It should be okay. All right, so I just changed the font right now, and then you can just put your name somewhere there. Okay, and about I think I can leave it like this. About the alignment, you can actually decide to make the alignment or align right, or anyhow you want to put it. Align right, is better for stuff like this. For this placement, you can place it like that or like this. Still goes actually, because it's actually a continuation from this image here. Okay, so what I'm going to do right now, I'm going to copy it. So copy, double click it, and then I'm going to paste. uh, I'm going to write something about maybe my business, something. Okay, and then place here. Okay, it's still too much, maybe 2 3 lines or so will be enough. Change the color to white and change alignments obviously to center alignment. Okay, then for you to be sure it's at the center, come to relative position, and then I think this. All right, I think it's right now at the center. I need one more thing to do, which is my contact address. I'm going to put it right here. Okay, put it right here. Okay, so if I'm going to give this template to you, and this is exactly what you're going to do. All right, I have another template that is 100% editable. Every element there actually editable. I'm going to give you access to that template so that you can retouch it the way you want to do it, and use for your Christmas. You can as well do that for for clients, people that may come to you for designs. All right, you can choose to monetize it if you want. All right, you're free to do that. Okay, I'm going to give you these templates, and it's free for use. um Practice or commercial purpose, I'm going to give you that permission to do that. All right, so one other thing before we wrap up this today. The course I'm going to give you access to with just about 1 point something dollars. I'm going to give you permission to resell. I'm going to give you permission to to make profit with it. It's my own course, and I'm going to give you the full permission, full right to resell the course. All right, so I created the course, I created the videos. I'm going to give you that access 100%. So do not waste time, because the offer won't last forever. Thank you. All right, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and wait for the next video. All right, congratulations, and happy Christmas in advance. That is because I'm doing this video just before Christmas. For in case you see it after Christmas, it's going to be in areas to you. Okay, thank you, thank you, thank you.